Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here in ground of Indian Maritime University Kolkata campus. You can see in this video. Actually, I have come with an ideas that I want to share with you all. You know, workshop is very important part of entire 4-year course in BTech Marine Engineering. And workshop also plays an important role in interview and all, also in our exams, practicals, viva. So it is also is of practical importance when we go on board. There are a lots of use of workshops, and you guys are staying at the home for almost 1 year and not having the practical experience of workshop. So what I am going to do, I am going to make a videos of each and every machinery is available in our workshop from first year to 4th year. So I am going to bring series of videos that will include all entire syllabus of 4 years. Whenever I am going to explain about any machineries, I will mention every spare parts, what are the points that is important for placement, everything, what are the questions related to that machinery asked in the previous time, everything I will include. So please also give your suggestions and idea, what do you think about this. So I am going to start from today only. In this video I will show you workshop layouts of our campus. Workshop layouts is basically the familiarizations with the machineries available in your workshop, at which places which machineries are kept. So let us go to the workshop. Let's come. Stay tuned with the video. Now I have reached to our workshop. You can see this is the entry door of our workshop. At the right side of the wall at the entry, you can see all the safety instructions has been written on the board. The most important among all is that you cannot enter this workshop without boiler suit, safety shoes and helmet. Our workshop is consist of 3 blocks and one main engine room. This is first block, at the middle of which vices are kept for the different operations with job pieces like filing, chiseling, making V blocks, etc. Now I will start from the left side of the first block. This is 4 ram steering gear which is completely in working condition. I will separately make videos on steering gear in upcoming videos. A steering gear is the equipment provided on the ship to turn the ship to port side or to starboard side while in the motion during sailing. And after that you are watching coalescing plate separator, which is used to remove suspended solids, free oils and grease from wastewater using gravity. And this is windlass, and windlass is a machine which is used to let out or have up the equipment such as ship's anchor or fishing trawl. And this yellow color device is known as fuel oil testing machine, which is used to measure opening pressure of the fuel oil. You can also see in this video the pressure gauge, and this is reduction gear for regulation of speed and torque. And this is turbocharger. The main job of turbocharger is to compress more air flowing into the engine cylinder. Let us see the internal parts of the turbocharger. You can see the right side there is a turbine blades, and in the left side there is a compression blade. Now this is oily water separator, used to separate oil and water mixture into their separate components. After that you can see this is plate type heat exchanger. You can also see the plate in this video. After that you can see the cylinder liner. It is one of the most important functional parts to make up the interior part of an engine. Now you can see this is the pulse type turbocharger. And this is lubrication oil purifier. Both turbocharger and this purifier are gifted by the company NYK. And this is milling machine. This machine is really versatile in nature. After that, this is drilling machine. This is surface grinder to polish the metallic surfaces and to make it smooth. And the next one is tool grinder. This is very important. This is used to sharpen the tools like chisels. This is gate valve, and after that there are many fuel injectors are there kept on the table. And this is governor which regulates the amount of fuel in engine. Now you can see many equipments are there on the table like return valves, non-return valves, three-way cock, duplex filter, everything is there on the table. I will make a separate videos for this. And this is welding shops, and all these are step down transformers. And you are also watching the blocks. Each individuals are supposed to stand in individual blocks and perform welding. Now you can see the overhead crane at the top to lift the machineries or to displace a machineries from one place to another place. And this is centrifugal pump. Now we are almost done with the first block. Let us go to the second block, that is middle block. Now we have entered into the second block of our workshop, or you can say middle block of our workshop. Now I will show you each and everything of this part. This is crankshaft of dismantled diesel engine. After that, another old model of diesel engine is there. Now you can see the 4-stroke MAN diesel engine. All these engines are dismantled so that each and every parts of an engine can be demonstrated to the cadets. And this is hydraulic dynamometer. Now you can see there are many lathe machines are there so that each and every cadet should be able to operate all the lathe machines operations like boring, tapering, turning, etc. Now this is very interesting steam engine. Nowadays steam engine is not used, but this steam engine is still in working condition. I will show you separately about steam engine in a different video. Now this is steam turbine alternator to produce electricity. And this is condenser. This is vertical boiler. After that, this is steam flow meter. This is LN 2-stroke diesel engine which is completely in working condition. And this is Yanmar 4-stroke diesel engine. This is also in working condition. You are watching a green color machine, that is a plate bending machine. Now we are done with second block. Now we will go to third block, that is completely boiler block. The boiler you are watching is Marine Scotch boiler. This is basically a smoke tube boiler. This boiler is of historic importance. The same type of boiler had been used in Titanic. The next boiler in which you are watching many generating tubes is basically 3-drum aero boiler. This is a water tube boiler. And this is third one, which is horizontal package boiler. This boiler is completely in working condition. And the fourth one is Foster Wheeler D type boiler. And this is superheater attached to the Foster Wheeler boiler. Thus out of 4 boilers in our workshop, 1 is smoke tube boiler and remaining 3 are water tube. I will explain each boiler one by one in upcoming videos. Now we are done with boiler shop as well. Let us go to the main engine room now. Now we have entered into the main engine room of Mary Kolkata. This is Kawasaki MAN diesel engine built in 1974. This engine is really an asset for the cadets of IMU Kolkata. There is huge scope of learning while working on this engine. I will also make a detailed videos of this engine. So upcoming episodes on workshop is going to be very informative for you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to Amrit Raj Compositions. You know, there is no seawater here for cooling purpose. That's why we use this cooling tower for cooling line in the workshop. So this is a cooling tower which is situated outside the workshop. And guys, finally we finished our workshop layout. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue these workshop episodes in upcoming videos. Keep on watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And must write your feedback in comment box. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.